Using the email provided by CO2 meter, click on the Download the File button to gain the CM-7000 firmware file. Once downloaded, plug an empty flash drive into the computer. Go to your recent downloads and find the file named v7-multidrop.apk and move it to the flash drive. Warning, please ensure that this file is named exactly v7-multidrop.apk. Next, safely remove or eject the flash drive from your computer. Plug the flash drive into the bottom of the CM-7000 tablet in the USB port. The update should begin automatically after a couple of seconds. Wait for the update to finish installing. You will see an alert pop up that says, "Unfortunately, multi-drop has stopped. This is supposed to happen." Press OK. On the home screen, wait for the tablet to finish updating and press the settings gear in the top right corner. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and it should read version v2.2.23, and this will mean that your tablet has been updated. From the home page of the CM-7005 tablet, press on any of the sensor circles to go to the sensor detail page. Press on the lock in the top right corner and enter the password CO2 meter to unlock the sensor settings. Press the Update Sensor button. A prompt will come up asking if you are sure you would like to soft reset your sensor. Press Yes. Press the Done button to go back to the home page. To verify the update was successful, go into the same sensor circle and look to see that the version number located above the sensor name has changed to v1.1.7. Repeat these steps for all sensors connected to your tablet. Once all of the sensors read v1.1.7, this will mean that all of your sensors have been updated.